So from zero to all that, I said, like bit by bit, how we are accumulated till today, and we are not the wound.
Oh,
Okay, yeah, we can see the wound. We are not the wound. We carry the wound. So that thing was become very much distinct. Awareness came about that. Though
beautiful.
we have the old patterns, but we that awareness is there. Oh, yet we are carrying that thing, but we see it as a pattern. We see it as a something that we our parents also carried, and it is carried by us through our genes, our hereditary, everything, whatever our from our parents and great grandparents, forefathers, whatever their hard work, everything is again coming back to us. Like how our parents they had the pattern, like with struggle they have to make money. So same thing has flown to us, same thing is there with us. So our pattern has also become like that, but that awareness has come that it is perhaps because of them that has come like that, and it is going, we are flowing through that thing, like but now we are understanding easily. It's very much distinct clear that, oh, this was a thing, like my father, he was a very hard worker. My mummy also worked hard and gave so much to the family. So
Mm.
so much, always she was working very hard. Even that thing I felt that, oh, so is it like that? But during the course, like when ma'am Honey said, see, go to the root, immediately root, what are the root? Wealth conscious, our ancestors, that thing started striking. When it started striking, no, we had some kind of heaviness. Some of them felt heaviness in the chest, some felt that tingling sensation in the stomach, some had that some kind of current. For me, there was some current flowing from my sahasra going back down, and I was feeling so much like discomfort. Okay, then slowly that thing got erased immediately. But it's wow to know that how these things, as though we are not. The thing is, this is happening all inside, but we are not aware of it. Our eyes is out external, only we can see everything in external. But when we are during this course, we can understand something is happening, some awareness is created. Unconscious, we are becoming conscious of something what is happening, which was not so in so many years. These are the things what I really learned that day and became aware. Really, it was very thankful of Honey ma'am that she brought us to this limelight. Thank you so much, Honey. At the beginning, we are whole. See, nothing is there. We are as, like, as a child smiling. बोलते ना, हमको हमको पूछा जाएगा तो what we want. We'll say we want to go back to that childhood. So
Mm.
happy. We didn't have any responsibility. The world, a world of play, 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 play. So much happy we were. No responsibility, nothing. But slowly we gathered with situations, with our environment, with our hereditary, everything. As days passed, everything we gathered, our experience, and we started becoming conditioning. We have conditioned ourselves to think in a particular way, to behave in a particular way. But when this awareness comes, we can understand that no, these are the wounds that we carried, but we are
Mm.
not the wound.